Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. As we all know, new technology is growing every day and we have reached the era of digital currency. Digital currency? It means digital money, which is also known as cryptocurrency. There are many people in our country who are ignorant of the world of the blockchain and crypto. Those who neither know the meaning of all these things nor have any knowledge. But in this growing world, everything is getting faster along with digital technology. To really understand what is special about Bitcoin and crypto, we need to know how it works at a technical level. Do you have any questions about crypto and blockchain? Do you want to keep up with the growing technology? Are you also having trouble understanding digital technology? This channel is the answer to all your questions related to blockchain and crypto. Now let's talk about what is CNF Academy. CNF Academy is a guiding light that aims to spread knowledge and learn about these emerging topics from basics to advanced. We aim at delivering quality blockchain education to young talent globally. The audience understands the world of decentralization and we are stepping into the act over the opportunity that is available to all of us. CNF Academy's vision is to build the blockchain world truly transparent, efficient and reliable. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel so you get the notification of every new video. Let's learn and grow together.